hello, this is BF Emilio Realty.
Good afternoon. Is this Marco Emilio?
Yes sir, this is Mark Emilio speaking.
Yes, I saw your flyer and I would like to inquire about the house and lot we're selling in Lakefront.
Sir, in Lakefront, we have four kinds of houses there. We have the Marina, the Jezebel, the Marinara, and the most common of all is the Ariel.
What is the house that has the biggest floor area?
Sir, the floor area ranges from 169 square meters to 369 square meters. The Jezebel has the biggest floor area, which is 369 square meters.
About how much would the Jezebel cost?
Sir, the Jezebel ranges from 3.69 million to 4.69 million. The price of the unit depends on where the unit is located.
And how is the payment scheme? Is it flexible?
Yes sir, the payment terms are very flexible sir. The lowest possible down payment I can offer you at Jezebel sir is it's 922,169 pesos. That is 15 years to pay sir.
Okay, thanks for the information. Oh, and one more thing. Can I schedule the house visit with you?
Yes sir, we have a daily tripping to Lakefront. Just call me sir at this number if you want to see the house.
Okay, we'll call you in a few days.
Okay sir, can I get your name and your other contact number just in case?
My name is Martin Opum and you can just contact me in this number.
Okay sir, hopefully we can make a deal. Bye sir, and have a good day.
Bye.